In this video, I'm going to talk about Kittl's new t-shirt design challenge, and this time this design challenge is with me. They asked to collaborate with me. You can see it right here. I'm going to talk all about it and what you can do and some tips on how to design for it. Let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juno with Detour Shirts. I've been designing and selling t-shirts online since 2005, and in this video I wanted to talk about the new t-shirt challenge on Kittl. I was lucky enough to work with Kittl on this one. They picked me to collaborate with them. I'm going to show you all about it. I'm going to show you what the prizes are. They're a little bit different from last time. If you've seen my other video right here, you can learn more about the first challenge they did. This is the second t-shirt challenge, just a little bit different. I'm going to show you all the things you need to do for this t-shirt design challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you what the t-shirt design challenge is, how much you can make with it, kind of the way to do it, the process, why I picked outdoors as a topic, what you can do to design, different techniques to design, and how to make the details kind of stand out, make your design stand out, and hopefully win this contest. I'm going to show you all of that in this video right now. So first, here we are on Kittl, kittl.com, you can see right there. And the way to find the challenge is to go to challenges, right here. And you can see there's a bunch of people that already submitted, but you're not too late, it just started. You can see this is it right here. To find more about the challenge, this is the challenge that I talked about first. You can see those people won here. But again, you got lots of prizes. We're going to view the challenge. And this time, the challenge, the first place award is a $100 Amazon gift card. So you can, I think most people can use that. I know I could use a $100 Amazon gift card for that. I like using Amazon. I sell on Amazon, so I could buy my own t-shirts or buy other people's t-shirts. That would be really cool. So here it is, description for the outdoors t-shirts. There's 6 days left if you're watching this video today. You can see camping, hiking. I'm going to talk about some other outdoor activities, so don't worry about that. But basically outdoor activities. I think it just started yesterday and it ends on the 27th. So you can see right there. And just create your own t-shirt, and I'm going to show you some techniques to create t-shirts, and then you just enter the challenge. You can see some people already entered, but you still have lots of time. The top one only has 4 likes right now, so that's how you're going to win this, by likes. So make sure that yours is good and have a lot of your friends and family, and make sure, you know, someone would want to like it and think it's a good t-shirt. So that's all the technical stuff on how to do it. Let me tell you why I picked outdoors. So one of the big reasons why I picked outdoors as a theme is because it does really well for me personally. I have this design right here about Moab, Utah. It does really well for me on all my platforms, on Redbubble, on Merch by Amazon, and on TeePublic. It does really well. And outdoors themes just does really well on print on demand in general. If you look at any of those sites, you'll notice that a lot of the top sellers are also outdoors. It's also on my list, a holiday list. You can see outdoors and hiking and boating and all of those things. So it's a great topic to do. So I wanted to pick a topic that even if you don't win, you could also sell these on print on demand and hopefully make some money there as well. So I just wanted to do that for you guys. Just make sure that outdoor theme is one that you can actually use in the market, on print on demand, or selling it on wherever you want. Do it for yourself. Maybe there's a park that you like, maybe there's outdoor activity that you like. You could design it for yourself and print it for yourself and give it to your family for Christmas or something like that. So this is a very versatile theme, and that's why I picked the outdoors. So the outdoor theme is pretty broad, so I broke it down for you. These are some outdoor activities that you could do designs for, t-shirt designs for. Of course, we know about camping and hiking, that was in the description, but there's also running, fishing. Fishing's a huge one, especially if you're doing it for like a grandpa or a dad or something like that. That's a big one that people love to buy for Christmas if someone loves fishing. Rock climbing, there's lots of people who love rock climbing. Kayaking is a big one too. Skiing, it's an outdoor activity, not one that we might think of during the summer, but in the winter it's an outdoor activity. So didn't say it had to be a summer outdoor activity. So you got skiing and snowboarding. Biking as well, outdoor activities. So many people love biking. It's a huge one. Hunting, don't forget about that one as well. And just enjoying nature. So RV, driving, different kinds of parks. You notice the one I did was Moab, Utah. It's it's a scenic place. So any of those kinds of things where you're just enjoying nature with different places. So try those things out. Of course, there's lots of other things. I actually have a video right here. You can watch this video for even more activities that you can do. I go and break down, you can see examples of different activities, different t-shirt designs out there, and maybe get some ideas. So after you picked your topic, the next thing you want to do is learn how to design around it, have some design ideas. So this is what I would suggest. First, you can come to Kittl, Kittl.com again, and you can click on t-shirts if you don't know how to design something. And the nice thing about this is they have a filter right here. Click on the filter, and you can see they have outdoor designs. So you can't copy any of these, but jot down what you see, kind of look at how they're doing it. You can see text on the top, a graphic in the middle, and text on the bottom. You also have this kind of rounded idea. That's what I did here. There's also some designs inside of a like a badge or something. So you can see this one right here. This does it right here. So lots of different ways that you can lay out your design. So just go through here. Again, you can't start from here. You have to start from scratch, but at least these will give you some ideas on how to lay out. I would jot it down, draw it on paper first, kind of get an idea of what your design will look like and what the words and everything, and then go into Kittl and kind of do it. You can see right here, lots of different ways you can do it. And they all look really cool, really vintage, and that's what Kittl's strength is to make it look cool and vintage. They got so many designs and fonts and things like that. You can also go to my website right here. If you go to my website, you can see lots of different videos, especially the videos for Kittl. So of course, I would love it if you watched all the videos over and over again, but the ones that I suggest that you watch is this one right here, the Kittl t-shirt design challenge, the first one that I did. Of course, don't copy exactly that, but you can see some of the techniques for Kittl. And these right here also show you some different techniques using Kittl. So the tall arc that we saw on kind of wavy text design and designing inside like a badge or something like that. So there's a bunch of other ones on my site as well. You're just gonna have to scroll through it. Lots of design tips on there as well if you're designing. Again, the biggest thing is don't copy. You want to be original. Don't copy exactly what you're seeing on there, but you want to use those as inspiration. So the way you lay it out, of course, change the words, change the fonts, change the graphics. You don't want it to look exactly the same, right? But the layout of it, where you put text and things like that, that you can kind of use over and over again. And that's not too bad. So just to end here, I just did this video right here on 5 tips to stand out. These could also help you in your design. You have your topic, you want to make yours stand out from the crowd. That's really important when you're doing a t-shirt design contest. And so you're going to want to follow some of these tips right here. Maybe use some humor or make it unique in some way. Do some kind of a mashup or something like that. Have some personality and add a little bit of details, you know, some things that are big and some things that are small, and kind of make it pop out a little bit. You can see that a lot of these things are being used on the Kittl designs as well as those designs on print on demand. So if you haven't seen that video, you can watch that video as well with lots of ideas on how to make things stand out and be unique and things like that. So good luck with this contest. Hopefully this is something that will help you as well, even if you don't win, help you in the print on demand business. So that is it for this video. A really quick one today. Just wanted to let you know about the contest and how you can do it and kind of some techniques that you'll use. And I got lots of videos on my channel. Again, go to my Detour Shirts channel on YouTube and you can watch some of the techniques and how to use Kittl if you haven't used Kittl before. If this video is really helpful for you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button right here. I'm going to leave a couple of these videos right here. If you haven't used Kittl before, click on these videos right here to learn how to use Kittl. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.